you through how to add a PDF to your Canvas page. First, you're going to want to go to your course and then build in modules. I'm going to go down to the topic or the module that I'm looking for. You could also add a new module at the top saying, what are we doing today or what are we doing this week on days when you're not seeing your students face to face. I'm going to go straight to my current topic or my current module. I'm going to select page. Because this is a material that I just want students to read or access, it's not something that I'm going to grade or collect back from them. I'm going to call that a page. Select page, and then I'm going to title that page and add item. Now I've built a shell for the item that I'm going to build. So I'm going to go into the actual page. I'm going to press the edit pencil. And then I'll be able to upload that document either via a link or I'll be able to embed it from Google Drive. The way to do this is just to add the link. I'm going to highlight here, and this is an external link, and I'm going to paste it right here and press done. Please note that if you're sharing a link from your Google Drive, make sure that you've gone in and changed the share settings. So here, if I'm in my Google Drive, I'm going to select the document that I am sharing. I'm going to right click on it. Then I'm going to press Get Shareable Link. And that link is going to be automatically green for go. It's going to be good to share out. And so when students access that link, they'll be able to open it. So remember, if you're pasting in a link, make sure that you convert that link to a shareable link from your Google Drive. Then I'll be able to save and publish. Make sure that as you announce or you share this information with your students, you do so in the way in which you are currently pushing out assignments and materials to your students in Canvas.